Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. So first of all, open your Snapchat. Then go to the messages. For that, you can either click on the chat icon, which is at the bottom, or you can swipe right. This way you are directed to your inbox. Now either you can search for the friend in the search bar, whose friendship you want to view, or else you can go back and select the friend from the inbox. Tap on the username of your friend and you will land on this page. And this is where you can view all the details about your friend. But as you can see, due to the privacy settings of Snapchat, friends are kept private, which means you cannot view it. You cannot view any other people's best friend list. You can also see the warning. Screenshotting friendship profiles will send a notification just like your snaps. So due to this feature of Snapchat, you cannot see someone's friend list. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.